Hey, Chris Belote here with Fortress Foundation Systems. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the different foundation repair methods available for your home or business. There are two types of foundation for most homes and businesses. The first is a slab foundation, which is either rebar or post-tension. And the other is a pier and beam foundation. With both of these foundation types, there are three types of piers that are most commonly used. The first is a concrete pier. The second is a steel pier. And the third is a helical pier. Now, which pier type do you use for your home or business? We recommend that you consult with a third-party engineer and get a third-party engineer's report on your property. And in their report, they will tell you or recommend which type of pier needs to be used to fix your foundation. The benefit of a third-party licensed engineer is that they are unbiased and they have a fiduciary responsibility to you as the home or business owner. So they will get you exactly what you need, and then from there you can find a few reputable companies to provide you with an estimate or a quote on the repair work that needs to be done. If you have questions or would like to set up a free evaluation, please comment below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to see other videos like this, please comment below with what you'd like to see and we'll make it for you. Hope everybody has a great day and we'll see you soon.